Hello my friends! For those who are new, my name is Olga. I'm a owner of All by Wally Design and Alteration, and today I wanted to share another story of redesigning the wedding gown. So this is the look of the dress before we redesign. As you see, it's a long skirt and it has sleeves. I already start to removing the sleeves, and also I'm gonna start removing the skirt. We want to create a different kind of sleeves, shorter one, and also we want to recreate a new skirt which is gonna be pencil. So you can see this beautiful fabric and also the beautiful look before we are starting to open. And also pay attention, look at these details. I love the embroidery. So as you see today, I already detached the upper part of the dress and I am working on the skirt part. So it's going to be a short dress and I will show you in a second what kind of dress is going to be. So this is our design that we're gonna create for her and transform the dress that you saw before into this. So we had the first fitting and I made sure the skirt fits well and to see what adjustments I need to the top part. After this fitting, we are ready to start sewing the skirt from the original fabric. So because of the fabric have some yellow spots since it's vintage and some of the damaged fabric, I had to choose and find the clear spot and clean spot to actually cut the back side. The front side is already cut, so now we are ready to create the skirt. And also we're gonna leave the zipper as well, and here is gonna be the zipper all the way and to the skirt. We will cut a little bit because her waist is a little higher than the original dress, and then we're gonna leave all this as original as well. Look at this beading. I love to create and recreate designs for customers, and also I love to give a chance to second dress. For example, every time if you don't feel confident to recreate something, always make with samples as simple fabric first. Then you can see what adjustments you need to do and then you just cut it out. If you have any question, please feel free to comment below and I will be happy to answer. I open all the seams because I need to recreate the pattern of the side part of the dress. Since we have enough fabric, which is very good, I'm just gonna start cutting the pattern and adjust. After that, I start sewing all the details together and now I'm excited to see what's next. The last piece is to attach the new short sleeves and then we'll see at the fitting what we need to do. So here is our second and third fitting. As you see, all it's made with the fabric and now we just need to finish it up. So I'm working on the final touches. I'm gonna add the zipper and also we're gonna add the sleeve and finish the hem, and our dress will be almost done. Here is our final redesign result and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more to see more.